That's me again, Henry. And you might hear my dog in the background, he's barking, I don't know why. But leave me some like, accents in the comment section down below. If you can do that, show me. Right. What's that? My neck? No, what? Anyway, so yeah, leave me some comments in the comment section down below. And tell me what my new outro should be. I've got my intro down. So that's my new outro. So yeah, that's it really. I might just stick with I'll see you guys, peace. Just leave me some new outro, so yeah, I'll see you guys, I guess. Peace.